Hey, hi Jagan.
Hi.
Okay, so today we'll discuss about like and wildcard operators. Okay.
Yeah.
In last session we discussed about SQL operator. In that also I covered this like and wildcard, but not much.
Okay.
Okay,
Yep.
as I said that we will cover later in depth. Also we'll see a regular expression as well, and we'll also see the difference between like and expression.
Express.
Okay. Like operator will wildcards. Okay. So what is a like operator? So like is a comparison operator which is used to find the values that matches a specific pattern. Okay. It's a it's a comparison operator used to find values that matches a
Patterns.
specific pattern using what? Using wild
Divide game.
cards. So in SQL we have this percentage
Underscore.
and underscore. I can use here multi-line comments. Okay, so this is our like operator, which is used to find values that matches a specific pattern. Then question is why we use this like operator. Okay, so when you want to filter records using patterns instead of exact matches, in that case we can use like operator. Okay, why do we use like operator? If someone will ask, for you, no one will ask because you are an experienced person. But the concept you should know why do we use like operator? So when we want to filter records using pattern instead of exact matches, okay, in that case we can go for like operator. Okay, now so now we talked about like operator. Then what is wildcard? So wildcard is a special symbol which is used inside like operator. Okay, so wildcard is a special symbol which is used
Used
inside the
inside.
the
One.
like operator to replace unknown characters because we don't know which characters we are looking for. So those are unknown to us. So it will get replaced. So for example, if I write underscore, so it will get replaced by something. Maybe A it will get replaced or B up to Z. Anything, any characters will this underscore will get replaced. Similarly, if I mention this symbol, percentage symbol, so this also will get replaced by some characters, right? So that is the use of wildcard. So wildcard is a special symbol which is used inside a like operator to replace unknown characters. Okay. Now, I mean, um, In SQL, we know we have to this percentage and underscore. So two wildcards are mm,
In SQL
two
server
wild.
also the same wildcard characters are used.
Yeah, same wildcards
Okay.
in my SQL. One is already I shown you. This underscore and percentage. Okay. So for example, if I write a underscore, what does it mean? It means the name starts
So
with A, and ends with we don't know. So it can be like Amit, right? Or Aisa, or Arun, or Ananya, like that. Any name which will
yes,
starts with A.
okay, and
Similarly, if I write Gmail, okay, percentage, which means it will it the word will contain Gmail, no matter starts from which character or
yes,
ends
yes,
which
which
character.
character?
It doesn't. Yeah. So for example, user1@gmail.com. This is also correct.
Mm,
User2@gmail.com. This is also correct. But this word should contain Gmail. It should contain no matter it starts from user1 or user2. Anything is fine. But it should contain Gmail.
mm,
User3@yahoo.com. This will not work because it doesn't contain Gmail, right?
yes,
Hmm. Okay. Then let's say for example, I will write underscore side single quote underscore ing. This means ends with ing.
it's with ends.
So for example, swimming, playing, reading, writing, all those stuff. Okay. So these are the use of percentage. Okay. So one is first is percentage. Okay. Now we'll see this. Already you know these things. I know. I just
Yes,
brush up these things. It is used for one character. Okay. And this was for many character.
mm,
Okay. So for example, if I write the same thing, a underscore. Okay. So it can be am or ab, whatever. Just one character. Okay. Second example is, let's say, a underscore underscore. Okay. Two times underscore. Okay. So it can be ami, ami, or aye. Two characters.
mm. So
Then for
this is
example,
considered for one character before and after.
yeah,
If you,
one is M, another is I, two characters, right? Underscore
yes,
underscore.
yeah, yeah,
It consists of one character. One underscore means only one. So there are
yeah,
two underscores, so I added these two characters, M and I, Y and E.
yeah,
So for example, underscore two times underscore, okay? One and two. Two times underscore, then let's say seven. Okay. Then
yeah,
it can be anything. Any two characters you can add it. Let's say AM seven, right? BM 7 like this.
mm,
Or if I write A underscore I underscore, or let's say T. Okay.
mm,
So it can be anything. In place of underscore, I can write M, which will make
mm,
Amit, or ABIT, Abit,
yeah,
ACIT, ACIT, anything in
yeah,
place of. underscore.
underscore.
So what these wildcards are doing, these are just replacing the unknown characters, right? So
Mm,
this C, B or M, these were unknown. So it got replaced, right? That is
mm,
what I told you, that wildcard are used to replace the unknown characters when searching the text.
mm.
Okay.
Can you give an example for this thing?
Yeah, yeah.
Mm,
So
mm,
yeah, now I will give example. Okay.
okay.
So let me select the tables which in all tables are available. Okay, only one table is available, employee. So let me show you. Select employees. So we have this employee ID, name, department,
Mm,
salary, experience, join date. Okay.
mm,
So now, uh, for example, we need to search employee whose name starts with R. So here we can see Rahul is there, Rohan is there. So we should get only two records. Okay.
mm.
Find out the employees whose name starts
Starts with
with R. Okay. So we should get only two records. So
mm,
let's see how can we write that. So select a star from table
star.
name employees. So we can
Mm,
write where clause
yeah, like
where
like operator.
name, hmm,
Sorry,
where name
name like
like
yeah,
starts
A
with
R
R
R percentage.
and the percentage. Okay. Now if we run this, we should get only two records, Rahul and Rohan. Okay.
Yeah,
Now if I ask, let me run only this. Hmm, A. Okay. Find out the employee whose name ends with A. So we have three employees, Sita, Pooja, and Divya. Okay. So for that, I can write s- select star from table name where name ends with A, right? So I can
per,
write like
like percentage.
ends with A. So percentage A.
Mm, mm,
Okay, so we got three records. Okay. Now, let me run only this. Okay. Now we let's say we have to find out employee whose name contains O. Okay. Let's say OH. Okay.
mm.
Whose name contains OH.
Select star.
Whose name contains OH. So I can write this select the star from table name. Then in where
Use
clause
for
I can write
name
name
like
like
percentage OH percentage.
percentage OH percentage. So I should get this Rohan.
Mhm.
Hmm. So we got the Rohan. Okay.
Mm,
Now again. Okay. So now let's add one more column. Okay, or it's okay, fine. What we can do, mm, finance HR, this is fine. Okay, now we'll see some single characters use cases as well. Later we'll add some new records. Okay, so if somebody will ask, find out the name of an employee whose um, second character is A. Okay,
Okay. Let's see. System is first
second character is sorry A. Okay, second character is A. Okay, so select a
select the
star
employees
from
where
employees where
like
name like second
underscore
character we
a
want. Hmm.
underscore a
Yeah, underscore second character is A,
a
then we don't know. So percentage, right?
percentage. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So we got Rahul. Rahul second character was A. Okay, 1 second. A. Now let's say second character is O, not A. Okay. Second character is O. So we should get Pooja and Rohan both.
Yeah.
Here also I need to make the changes. Second character is O. So we got Pooja and
Sentence.
Rohan. Okay. Now, mm, let's say this is fine. Okay. So now let's say you have to find out 1 second. We see. Okay. Let's say you have to find out
Oh,
the name of an employee whose name starts with R and having okay name starts with R, then having A anywhere after 2 letters. Name starts with R, having A anywhere but after 2 letters. Hello,
yeah, hello.
got it right?
Yeah, we are.
So
Yeah, yeah,
who's
got it.
hello? Okay.
Yeah,
So
got
I'm
it.
saying find out the employee whose name starts with R and
Yes.
having A anywhere after two letters.
Then R percentage. Let's go.
So 1 second. First we need to write select a star from
Influence.
employees where name like. So first is name starts with R. So we will
Yes.
write R
R percentage.
uh, percentage having A anywhere.
A.
Okay,
A. A.
having A anywhere after 2 letters. So one letter is
Underscore.
this. Mm. After 2 letters, okay, which
yeah,
means it can be 3 letter, it can be 4 letter, we don't know. Okay,
yeah, yeah,
after 2 letters. Okay, so I can write here itself A. Anywhere after 2 letters, it should be A.
yes,
Then I can write percentage.
percentage.
So then it will become what? It starts with A. After that, it will come
And Rahul,
anything, it can come, right? In percentage, A also it can come.
Rohan, pronoun,
A H R A H U L Rahul.
yes,
Then
Rohan, Rohan,
Rohan R O H. Yeah, Rohan A N.
two records will come.
Hmm. Okay. Then what else? No. Okay. Only this will come, right?
Yeah,
Hmm. Okay. Now, hmm, let me add one more so that we can address address PI data. We can create it. Okay. So I'll quickly here itself, or else I can add it. Okay. So I'll quickly add some new columns. Alter
yeah. Enter table,
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 table name,
add,
employees, add
add,
column name.
column,
So I'll one more column, email ID, email underscore ID, and it will be varchar
varchar,
size, let's say 30.
yeah,
Okay. Address got updated. Now if I run this, null. Okay, fine. So let me quickly insert it. Insert into
insert
table name.
into table name,
Table name.
values,
1 second, I'm just thinking. Values in value, what value? Okay, for only one, let's say we can add uh, email ID, right? So Rahul mm, at the rate gmail.com. Oh, 1 second. It will not work. If I write values, I want to insert only email ID,
column,
so I have to write here mm,
yeah,
only email underscore ID and address. Okay. So first is email underscore ID and then address. So let's say uh, MG Road, or instead of this, I will update it, not insert. I will update because this will still be null only, right?
yeah,
So instead, we will update table name, set email ID equals to this, and address equals to this, and then we need to write a where clause
employee IDs,
where employee ID equals to 1. Okay, let's update it. Got updated. Then employee employees. Okay. So on this, hmm, Rahul, we updated for Rahul. Similarly for Sita, Raman, Nagar, Sita, and this. Okay, fine.
Can we update at a
Then,
time only?
yeah, we can.
Same
But
here for
I will do only for two. Okay.
same.
Later we can update it. Okay. Just for now, for explanation, I have added these two. It got added. Okay, fine. Now, let's say, so you can see there are two addresses. One is MG Road, another is CV Raman Road. Now,
Yeah,
if we have to find out the address starting with a specific street, this see address is not only MG Road, it can be MG Road, comma Bengaluru and all like that. The
yeah,
complete address. Now I just sorted out this one. So now if
okay.
somebody has to find out that address starting with this street, okay,
Yes,
this is the street name, not complete address. This is just the street name.
mm,
Okay, so we need to find out if um, the address is starting with a specific street. So how can we do that? So for example, we need to find out address is starting with MZ Road. So I can write
yes,
select a star
mm, start
employees
at
where
least like
address like
uh, percentage.
starting with MZ Road.
Oh,
So
starting
MG,
MG road on the
yeah,
sorry
starting with
percentage
MZ Road.
percentage.
Percentage. Okay,
Yeah,
fine. Okay. Now, mm, let's comment this
yeah,
address. Okay, no, not this one. Okay, where is that? Just a minute. Set this. Okay, come on. Hmm. Instead of this, I will use yahoo.com. Okay, email ID equals to this and do this. Okay, so let's update the employee again and let's see this table. Now you can see sita@yahoo.com. Okay, now let's say we want to filter out the email. Okay, when we are filtering out the email, so just to check whether it's a spam or not. So domain like Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail or any organization domain. So for
mm,
example, google.com
yeah,
and all. So these are legitimate. Others are fake, right? I can show
yes,
you. 1 second. 10-minute mail. So this is generating failed email ID. Okay, if you go here, so this email ID we can use across multiple websites. So this is a fake email ID generator which will last only for 10 minutes. We can use that. So this is a fake one. So we want to
mm,
filter out this. Okay, we want to filter out this. So for now, I want to filter only Gmail. Okay, only Gmail
mm,
one. So here, in my website also, previously when I built my website, I was allowing only Gmail and Yahoo Mail only. Okay. Others I was just ignoring those things and I was treating as um, spam one. So for this
uh,
purpose, we can filter out. So now we will filter only Gmail. We will allow only Gmail account user to sign in to our website and all. So for that, what I can do, select star from my table name,
Yeah.
employees. I can write where email. Okay, we want to filter out the email. So where email like we will allow only Gmail. So percentage starts with
Percentage
anything.
Gmail percentage.
No, no, Gmail dot. Ah, yeah, that's okay. But after Gmail, we are usually writing gmail.com, right?
Yes, yes,
Yahoo.com and all. So gmail.com. Okay. And it should ends with after com, there should be nothing. It's not like com 1, com 2, com 3 and all. No,
yes.
it should end with com only. Okay. So I will, from now, I will get only one record, Rahul at the gmail.com, not Yahoo. So we'll
Yeah.
see that dot com. Okay. Email ID.
Yeah.
Okay. Filtering out Gmail IDs.
Yeah.
Now, similarly, you can do other things as well. Okay. You can filter out the phone number as well. Okay. Starting with the +91, our India number with code, you can filter out. Okay. So now, um, so, and just opposite, if you do not like, it will become opposite, like negative like. You can mention not like. So you will get the Yahoo one, right?
Yes,
Just
yes.
the opposite. Not is just the opposite.
And it
Okay.
comes. Yeah.
So what is the use case for this? So for example, delete this. This is filtering out um, the legitimate
A Gmail ID.
uh, not employees. Okay,
Legitimate.
filtering out. This is the use case. Okay, now okay. So we are working on a website and we want to filter out the spam user, and we are supposing that Gmail ID because we are using Google Workspace. Okay, so in Google Workspace we will get Gmail ID only, right? Google Workspace. So there we want to filter out other employees whose domain name is different. So which means we will exclude all the Gmail user.
Gmail.
Mm.
And we can
So,
put not like it.
not like that's all. Exclude Gmail users. Simply I can write where email ID not like Gmail.
So, Gmail. Not.
Done. Okay. So, mm, what else? I think this much. Okay. Any doubt here?
No, no.
Okay. Then we will start sorry, regular expression. Okay. Regular expression.
So what is the use case of regular expression?
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Mm,
So, regular expression, it's a very powerful pattern matching system. Like was also used for pattern matching, but
mm,
this is also a pattern matching system which will allow you to search text using advanced rules and conditions. So in like operator, we were not using any advanced rules and conditions that we will see. Here we can apply some rules, some conditions as well. Okay.
mm.
So that we will see when we do the practical implementation that day you will get to know. So generally for regular expression, okay, the best use cases I'll tell you for email format validation. So for example, these are the use cases. Use cases. Why do we need, right? So these are the use cases. One is uh, email format validation. So let's say the legal email ID, I'll tell you. It should be user1@gmail.com. This is correct, right?
Yes.
11@g1.com.
Mm.
12, or let's say
Mm.
jagan123@gmail.com.
Mm.
jagan_123@gmail.com. Then jagan-123@gmail.com. So which one are legal one? First one
Last and
is
second.
correct.
Yes.
Second
It
is
is not
correct.
correct. The
Second is
second is
not correct. Okay.
starting
This
with
is
number
NC,
correct.
not correct. Yeah,
Yes.
starting with it cannot starts with number. Okay.
Yes.
Then Jagan123, this is correct. Jagan_123 also is correct.
Yes.
Jagan
It
hyphen
is
one two
not
three. Is
correct.
this correct?
No,
Why?
no. Yes. So hyphen is there in between the
Hyphen.
numbers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it doesn't allow hyphen, right?
Yes.
So okay. So using like operator, how can we check whether this format is correct or not, or this format is correct or not using like and wildcard? How can we validate this?
You don't have any option.
We don't have any option.
Yes.
So for that, we will use regular expression that I said earlier, that here we will
Yes.
apply some advanced rules and conditions. So one best
Yes.
example is email format validation. Okay. By
Mm.
this, we can see the spammers, right? Just now I
Yeah.
showed you this is not a
Yes.
legitimate one. This is a spam
Legitimate
one.
one.
Okay. So yeah,
Yes.
this we can filter out. Okay. Okay. This so to filter out the spam and all, this is very best use case. Second is use case is phone number
Validation.
format. So in India we have 10 digits. Okay.
Yes.
10-digit mobile number. And also the code is +91 followed by 10 digits.
10 digits.
Okay. So using like operator, let's say for example my phone number, I will write +91 followed by something randomly to,
Yeah.
okay, this number is correct. But
Yeah.
if I write this one, if I write this one, this is not correct in India
Yes.
because it should have only 10 characters,
Yes.
not numbers, and it should have only numbers, not
Yes.
characters, right? So this is
Right.
also not correct. How
Yes.
can we format this? How can we filter out this? How can we validate this? So using regular expression, we can do this.
Mm.
Okay. So we have other use cases as well, but these were the most, I mean, best examples. Others like if we
Mm.
can see the names which contains only, let's say characters, or which contains only digits, or
Yeah.
we can filter out strings which begins or ends with some specific character, that we can do with using like operator as well. Using
Yes.
regular
Yes.
expression also we can do that. Okay.
Okay.
So now let's see how we can do this. So for regular expression, to use regular expression, we have several regular regex patterns. So one is like we had wildcards, like we had
Yes.
a percentage and
Percentage
underscore,
underscore.
right?
Yes.
These were wildcards. Similarly, in
Wildcat.
regular expression also we have regex patterns.
Ridiculous.
Okay, so one
Yeah.
is this one, which will indicates starts with. Okay, starts with. Example,
Any
if I
character.
show you, uh, So if I write this and A, which means
It will starts with the
huh, will starts with A.
mm,
Okay. Second is we have this dollar sign, which means
okay. Yes.
ends with. Okay. Example same Gmail and then use dollar, which means ends
Also
with
Gmail.
Gmail. Then we have comma. Sorry. Then we have yeah comma. Oh, no, not comma. We have dot. We have one more dot. Dot is it denotes only one character. Okay, any one character. So it's kind of underscore in wildcard. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we have asterisk. So which denotes just opposite zero
Mm,
or more, or I can say multiple characters.
multiple character. Percentage.
Percentage.
No,
No,
yeah,
no, no.
as
Yeah, correct. Is similar to that percentage in wildcard.
yes,
Okay, and some characters are also repeating, right? For example, in
yes,
puja, O is getting repeated for two times, Pooja. So in
yeah,
that case, we
multiple
can use
occurrences there.
yes. So plus we can use one or more
Okay,
repeats. Okay. Then we have question mark. Question mark, which means optional. Optional. For
mm,
example, um, so we have color, right? COLO question mark. Here is
yeah,
COLOUNR. Okay.
mm,
So this question mark R. Okay. So this is optional.
okay,
Okay. This is optional, which means either we can have COLOR, which means it will take this one. COLO it will take. Okay. Either it will take COLO in U versus R, it will take R, or it will take COLO UR,
you are yes,
both. So this is optional.
oh,
Either you take both or take only one. That is use of question mark. Okay. Then if we have to use set of character, for example, in case of numbers, so numbers we can have digits from 0 to 9, right? Similarly,
yeah,
we have characters A to Z that we can create a set. Okay. So that set we can embed inside this square bracket. So I can write
yeah,
A hyphen Z.
yeah,
Okay. Or I can say A to small z as well. Similarly, you can do that small and capital. Then 0 to
yeah,
9 also I can write like this. I can do
yeah,
that. Okay. So these are enough. Now let's see some real-time example. Before that, select a star from employees. Hmm, Okay. Mm, okay. The same thing we can do. Let's say name starts with uh, A. Okay.
yeah. asterisk,
Hmm. Mm, name starts with
asterisk.
A. Okay. So I can write select a star
Select star from employees name,
where name
asterisk, asterisk. Like operators no cannot use
I can write regex
in that case. Matrix
sp-
A asterisk.
no, not asterisk. It is this one, this
Okay,
operator, this symbol
okay,
actually starts with
okay.
A. Actually, to use this regular expression, we have to
Yeah.
import this in Python. We were importing. Let's see in SQL. Okay, how it worked. No need to import anything. There, yeah, in Python we need to import it. Okay. So here we got this Amit, right?
Yes.
It is
Yes.
equivalent to that we used like operator. Like instead of regular expression, we can write
But the
like.
symbols are different.
Symbols are different. Right?
Mm,
It is equivalent to that only. Like
percentage.
starts with A, right? So A
A
percentage.
percentage.
Okay. Now ends with A.
Yes.
Ends with A.
Another symbol.
You can take the screenshot of this and now you tell me what should be the
Second
pattern
one
which I
actually.
use.
A
Dollar.
second symbol. Yeah, dollar. Yeah.
Uh,
A dollar.
$8. Okay.
Yeah.
$8. Okay. Sita Puja Divya. We got this. This is again equivalent to like percentage A, right?
Percentage. A. Yeah.
Percentage A. Okay. Now let's say we have to find out names
Mm,
containing what? Let me think. EMIT. Amit. ROURE. Okay. Let's say name containing RO means Rohan or RA Rahul. Correct. RO or RA.
okay.
Got it.
Yeah.
So which means RA means Rahul, RO means Rohan. Okay. So now we'll see this. Select a star from employees where name regular expression. We want RO
Okay.
or this pipeline I can use RA. Okay.
For
See.
containing purpose, we are using the pipeline symbol.
Uh, yes. This is or either RO or RA. Okay.
Yeah.
We have and or operator, correct?
This is
Or. Uh, So either it will come Rahul or Rohan. So this is OR operator.
If you want to search any one of the character means RO or RA, you don't want any or operator, then how can you get? We have
Any
only one. Yes.
any
Instead
one
of
you want. Huh,
yes,
got it. Either RO or RA. Anyone, then you have to see anyone, then you have to put like this, ends with something or starts with something. You have to put other condition. Anyone
okay.
in the sense which one you want.
It's either
Ends
RO
with
or RA.
UL. You can mention. No, no. You can mention ends with UL or ends with AN like that. You can mention.
Yeah, AH something, OH or AH
Hmm.
within
That you can mention. That you can mention here.
understanding.
Okay. That we will see. We will ends with UL or AN. We can mention now only. Okay. Okay. Then if I okay, let's do this. UL A then multiple characters and star ends with UL. See, this we can achieve using this. Either
So,
it started with RA, ends with UL because we had only one record, right? So it took either RO or RA. We don't know. Starts with R. We had two records. Sorry, Rahul and Rohan, right? But ending, it's search for ending UL.
you
So
yeah.
Rahul was ending with UL. So it
So
took
what is the meaning of the
RA,
star?
not
Yeah.
RO. Star means multiple character. After RA, it
Mm,
took H. Although we have only one character, but if we have multiple character, it will take multiple characters. Star means multiple one or more characters.
okay.
Okay. Then
If I
it
want one
ends with
character, then
if you
if I
want
want
one
one
dot
character,
period
yeah.
period one character dot. Okay, in this case also we'll get Rahul only. See, after RA only H was there, so we used dot operator. Got it right? So period is
Yeah,
used
good.
for only one, which is equivalent to your underscore, and a star is equivalent to your percentage.
Percentage.
So you can create this scenario. Any kind of scenario you can do this.
Yeah,
Ends with stars with contains and all everything you can do that. Okay.
I got it.
And phone number do we have? Let's add some phone number as well. Again, we can write alter
I
table
can get everything.
employees,
Yes.
then add column name. So contact number. For now, I can integer only. I can make it as integer. Okay, done. Okay, now we will update it. Before updating, let's see update
Okay, update.
table name.
After table
Table
name,
name.
set column name called value.
contact number equals to, let's say,
email.
anything is fine. Okay, one second, not any.
Where
How many characters? 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, where employee ID equals to 1. Hmm. Or hmm, now that equals to 1. This is 10 characters. 0 to 9 and 10 characters. Okay, this is fine. Update this. Similarly, update for employee 2. Let's make it some random. Okay, okay. And for employee 3, we will decrease. Okay. And for employee 4, add some characters as well. But this is integer. It will not. Okay, allow. And this is fine. What else we can do? Integer can only be number. Okay, then fine. This is fine. Now let's see the table. Why we have only one updated? How about others? Uh, okay,
I think we
I
have
think
not updated that.
integer has limit, right?
Okay.
Let's run this. It has out of range. Yeah, that's what. Then we can do one thing. Big integer we can make it. So I can write alter table,
And
table
modify
name, modify
contact number.
contact number to
Big.
big int.
What is the size of this integer and big integer? We will compare.
I'm also not aware of the size. We will see. Hmm. Size of integer and big integer. So you can see to this. Okay. So we were entering out of this range, and it should start. If it starts with 4, then yes, we can do that. Now this is the size of big int. Oh my god, it's two views. Okay, so we can use big int, and now we can update this, and we can update with some more numbers as well. Okay, now we can see. Hmm, good. Okay, great. So now we know in India, this is the correct contact number, not these two, right? So I by seeing this, we will know that okay, these are spammers. Okay, this Sita and Amita are spammers, or they have entered incorrect email ID.
The phone
Sorry,
numbers.
contact number,
Contact.
phone number, which means these are spammers. Okay, we
Yeah.
will filter out this. So using regular expression, we can filter out this. So we will filter out only 10 digits mobile number. We'll allow only 10 digits mobile number. Okay, so how can we filter? Validate Indian phone numbers. So I will write employees where
Yeah.
contact
Contact number regex express.
expression Now in regular expression, first thing you need to put this colon. Okay. Then I told you to make a set. I told you right. If
Yes, sir.
you have to search for all characters, all digits, 0 to 9,
Yes,
A to Z, you have to make a
sir.
set in square bracket.
Yes, sir.
So we want 0. We don't know. So it can be from 0 to 9, right? Digits
Yeah.
can be from 0 to 9. And this 0
Yeah.
to 9 it starts with 0 to 9, right?
Yes.
Starts with. So for it
But
starts with,
it's
we
not
have
started.
this symbol, right? We have this symbol.
Yeah.
So now
Yes,
it
sir.
starts with 0 to 9. It can be any digits.
Yeah.
Okay. This is correct. You got it right? Clear?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Starts with 0 to 9. It
0
can
to
be
9.
0 to 9. Any digits it starts with. But up
Yeah.
to how many digits? Up to how many digits? 10 digits,
But
right?
10 digits.
Uh, 10 digits. So for that, in curly braces, we can write 10.
Yeah.
So and ends with 10
10 with
digits.
dollar.
Dollar sign. Ends with means dollar sign. Now let's see. We should get only one Rahul. Hmm. We got only one Rahul. Others we have filtered out. So this is
Yes, sir.
Indian phone number. Others we don't know. So this is very useful. Regular expression. We can do anything we want. Yeah. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay. If we have to find out employee whose second character is a vowel. Got it right? Whose
Yes.
second character is a vowel. So Rahul,
Yes,
second character
Rahul.
R A.
Yeah.
A is vowel. Sita,
Sai is Sita. Yeah.
Pooja,
You, Puja. Yeah.
Rohan, and
Yeah,
Divya.
Rohan. Yeah.
Right?
Right. Yeah.
All except Amit. Right? Except
Why?
Amit, we have all the employee whose second character is
Second
vowel.
character is Rahul.
Okay. Hmm. So
See,
we'll
let's
write
start
select a
from
star from
um,
where name
brackets. Like it's the same.
regexp. Okay,
So
now
go
we'll
for
think. So it will starts with something. So first
it.
symbol I will use this.
In
Starts with
square bracket A to Z, you have to
what?
means the
Okay.
character actually. Yeah,
See, a square bracket we will mention A to Z. Why A to Z?
means the character rule, yeah, are there in between the
Only vowel we want, right?
alphabet.
Why A to Z? And that also second character.
Yes,
First character is fast. First character can be anything, right?
yeah, yeah. Then
So
dot,
first character. Dot
dot,
stands for only one character. Stars means multiple character, but we want only one character.
yeah,
So
dot.
starts with dot, which means any character, A, B, C, D, whatever. Then we want second character is a vowel. Then
Yeah,
instead of writing A to Z, we want only vowel, which means it can be
yeah,
um, A, E, I, O, U.
yeah, yeah,
Okay, and it can
yeah.
also be in caps letter as well, right? It's not like, uh, for example, Rahul was something like that. RAHUL. This is in capital letter, right? So we have to mention caps as well. A, I, U, U.
Yeah.
You got it right? Yeah, this much only. Before running this.
Both we can write at a time, means in small letter and capital letter.
Yeah, we
A,
can
okay,
insert into employees. Okay,
Yeah.
Values, employee ID is 7, and name is Ananya. The second character, but no, second character,
Can I make the second character small letter?
small letter,
Related. Yes.
and that also we want in vowel, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Not Babel. Yeah. For the
okay. Then all these are Amit is in small only, right? We don't need this. We want N A N A K I, Nakki or Nikki. Okay, I can make this K and I is in a small. Nikki. Okay, fine. Hmm. Name is done. The department. Let's say HR and salary
current
and experience is 10 years of experience. Joining date and 17. Then is active.
address.
Okay, one email ID Nikki
Yeah.
at the rate email.com. What else? Address and contact number. Okay. Agar contact number. Okay, fine.
So how many
This
conditions
is
we
done.
can put at a time? Okay.
What?
How many conditions we can put means if we want to validate any phone number
This
along
this
with
this one.
yeah,
N
yeah.
number of condition we can n number of condition we can put here. N number of
Yeah.
condition.
Then we can put the phone number also means 0 to 9 something to validate
Yeah,
the
yeah. Yes, we can put phone number also. But here our thing is just we need to check whether
yeah.
second character is what. Huh. I is there. Okay, I is in caps. Now if I remove this, okay, ideally I is this is also a vowel, correct? In caps
Yeah.
letter.
Yeah.
So we will not get this. Nikki, we will not get. Okay.
Okay.
Now Amit and Nikki. So total 7 employees. We will get only 5 records.
Yeah.
One, two, three. Nikki also we got. How we should not get this.
The second character is small. Mm. It is case sensitive or insensitive. I don't know. Yes, yes, it. Yes,
Hello, can you hear me?
yes, it. Yes,
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. Okay. So I was saying you need to find out the employee whose name contains exactly two characters. So
yes,
which means you should get only this eighth record. Okay.
yes,
AB, exactly two characters. Okay. So now you got to know the difference between like and regular expression, right?
yes, sir.
So when we have to use simple pattern matching, in that case we can go for like operator. We want some
Yes,
advanced and all, we can go for regular
regular.
expression. Okay. So which
Yes,
means complex pattern matching cannot be achievable using like operator,
yes,
but using regular expression we can do. Then let's say for example, you have to validate some format. For example, email ID or phone number, you have to validate the things. Using like operator, you can't do this, but regular expression we can do. Okay. Um, Length
can
also, if you
you
want to,
can you validate the email ID? Actually, there are some symbols are there, no? So how can you validate actually? I'm not able to email ID.
email ID validate.
No.
You can mention ends with Gmail,
Payments to Gmail. Are they better? Good.
and cannot contain any special keywords as well.
Okay.
Okay. That you can try. I will explain you. Okay. If it
Okay.
contains any hyphen and all, right? Those things you want.
Yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So I will tell you. I will tell you. Don't worry. Also, mm, mm, will tell you these things. Before that, these are some of the things which you can go through it. Mm, insert, where is insert date? No, update. Okay. Email ID is this Amit email ID we will change. Amit at the rate, no, Amit123 at the rate, let's say gmail.com. Address we don't want this. Employee ID equals to 2. Amit123. Okay, fine. Then, oh shit, see, that was done. That's okay, fine. Third is Amit hyphen 123. Side or DA Sita. Hmm. Okay. Let's put again. 4, 5. Fifth is which one? Rohan. Is Rohan underscore. Underscore is also fine. Hmm. Okay. 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 If I have to find out the employee whose email ID is not null, okay, who has not entered his or her email ID or contact number, um,
Mm.
which means we will treat them as spammers, which means Divya is a spammer. She has not entered her email ID or contact number. How we can find that? Where?
Mm. Email ID.
Email ID. Spammers. Okay, you need to find out the employee who has not entered their email ID. Okay. Um. Fine. Hmm. Now, out of this email ID, okay, we need to find the correct email ID, right? That
Yep.
also try to do it. Else, I'll tell you. Definitely, I'll tell you. Mm, Gmail. Where is that? Update query. Uh, ID is 7. Org. Okay. Stands for organization, which means uh, they are not spammers. .com, .org, .in. These are not spammers. So we have .org one and AB also. I'll make some changes. .in, let's say 8 AB VDL.in. This is also not a spam. This is stands for India. Okay, so third question is identify emails ending with .com or .in or .org. Okay, and then find employee whose phone starts with, let's say, 9 and has total 10 digits. Find employee whose email contains an underscore. See, this is a very, I mean, large task, okay, that we use generally in production level. Okay, or I mean, this is the last one where we will apply all the filters, where we need to figure out whether it contains any special keywords except for underscore or period. It cannot contain other special keywords like hyphen or at the rate or dollar sign, like that. It should not starts with one, two, three and all. So this is a large task. Before that, I want you should familiar with these things. Once you get to know these things, then you will solve this easily. Okay. Before that, small things try to do that. You just find out the employee whose email contains any an underscore. How you will filter out this. Try to learn this first. If it's end with .com, .in or .org. Okay. Then find employee email starts with digits. Digits we got to know. So now starts with any digits underscore. Okay. Hyphen. You can check for hyphen as well. If you hyphens. Then check for digits. Yes, you're done. Um, okay, these are enough. Last, yeah, these are enough. Try to complete this
Yeah.
tomorrow, and we'll see this larger one to validate complete thing. In the meantime,
Okay.
I'll also complete the table. This table is not complete, right? We have to insert some more records as well. So you can take a screenshot of this and create the same table. Okay.
Okay. Can you send me the mail? I will create accordingly.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I will share you, but I don't have that insert query. Oh, I will see this. Okay.
I
I
adopted
will
that.
share.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 I'll share with you. Um, any doubt? See, this regular expression is very important. We can find multiple things using regular expression. This is widely used. Yeah. So practice more and more on this regular expression. We can validate any Indian mobile number. We can get the employee um, full name, which has exactly two words. So
So
all
I
of these
actually
things,
I have one doubt actually. So how to get the email ID which is null actually I'm not able to get.
which is null. Okay.
Yes.
Now,
In
if I
regex
tell
in
you this,
regex actually.
this is home. No, not using regex. Not using regex. That was simple.
Yeah.
Is not null. We have to apply. Is not null. Well, email ID is not null.
Okay, this is the means wildcard character ID like a photo. Yeah, I got it.
Hmm. So that is not regular expression. Did I mention here?
Actually I'm thinking
Okay.
all about regular
No,
expression.
no, 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 no. Don't think about only regular expression. Okay.
Yeah.
We remove from here and put it somewhere here itself at the beginning. Done. Okay. Okay. I'll save this file and I will share with you. And
Okay.
tomorrow we can connect.
Yeah.
Tomorrow first we'll discuss with this regular expression only. Okay.
Yeah.
Homework. And then we'll
Yeah.
continue with our other topics.
Okay. See.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.